people, if you watched last video,
he's still wearing the same shirt.
Didn't change. This video is gonna be fixing what we broke last video. Melted a piston. We are gonna be taking this off, bringing it to the engine room, and then taking the car, all the electronics, the reed plate off of this block, putting it on the other block, taking all the EFI stuff on the other block, putting it in the dumpster, and then we're gonna be right back. Running 90s.
Coming down.
Oh, hold on.
Coming down.
Okay.
It is awkward.
Boom. We just gotta make this
That look like that.
look like that. Ready? Boom. There you go. See, number 2.
Number 2, and this one has no piston. Since it's
Yeah, that's what we did. Ain't no good. But the rod's good and the crank's good. So we're definitely gonna reuse it. For sure.
definitely not that part though.
No, we're gonna throw it in the lathe.
Oh yeah. Just hitting the lathe.
Let's
Put the rings in the lathe.
Yeah, we're gonna get her tuned up. We're gonna hit this with a dingleberry hone.
The dingleberry?
The dingleberry.
Not just the 320 by hand.
She's getting the dingle tree.
Damn.
All right, slap this on the mid and here's some fire.
All right, time to put that onto there.
Quick power head swap.
Actually was shockingly fast, only a couple hours.
You know how we do. This motor was pickled with a lot of any oil, so she gonna smoke. Might not start, might foul a plug. Come on, girl. Oh, it's gonna be a smoke show. Sounds good. Sounds healthy. Timing's about right. Yeah. Sounds about right.
We timing by ear?
Yeah.
You see that got us last time.
Yeah, look. That's
No, that was timing by light.
Yeah, that was timing by light. We should try it by ear. Alright, see if that's any better.
That was cinematic.
We're about to drop her in. I'm gonna start off with just like a couple half throttle, like 4 grand, just barely getting her moving, and then pull over, check plugs, put plugs back in it, make another lick, You know, do it the way you're supposed to, the boring way. Made some adjustments. I had 84s in it. Clearly was not enough. So now we got 88s all the way up. There's no way that's gonna be right. It's definitely gonna be rich, but evidently it doesn't sound half bad. I mean, it definitely sounds fat up top, but it's not that bad. So we're gonna run the 88s. I backed the timing way off. We're at like 21 degrees, wide open.
Is that because you don't have another power head?
Correct. I'm gonna try not to rev it over 7 grand, 6 grand. I'll try to keep her under 6.
Probably a good call.
Putt around.
It's a pleasure boat after all.
Yeah.
Everything's safe.
Everything's safe?
Up to date.
All right, good.
Good.
We're oil rich for sure. Air fuel, I don't know. This bank is always considerably richer. And I don't know why. That looks unfired to me. I don't know what you guys think. I don't think I was giving it. It's like brand new. All the others are pretty comparable.
You were compression testing.
No. Oh. No. Yeah.
I think that may be worthwhile.
She's got comp.
You got some.
She got enough.
In every one?
Oh yeah.
No. Maybe.
I think there's only one way to find out.
What? Oh, beat on it?
Then we give her a little help. Nice 5-cylinder engine, dorks.
You like that setup wig?
Yeah, that was terrifying, bro.
I didn't mean to. I was going before. I didn't know how to get you to like not go.
Yeah. Gnarly misfire. Might be 4 cylinders.
I think.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound right.
No, it ain't.
Whoa.
It ain't. She's running to like 62 and breaking up and dropping a cylinder. I'll make one more lick and then
And we'll go to the bar.
we'll go back to the beach. We'll check the plugs again. And then
Check
we'll
the plugs.
and then you know.
You're gonna check the plugs.
Yeah, yeah. Then we'll call it for racing activities today.
Handle these aluminum cylinders in the cooler.
Yeah, dude. go 5 cylinders.
Yeah, it sounds like it's almost there.
I got pretty gnarly.
Dude, yeah, it's like a little jumpy. Feeling froggy.
Oh, I was feeling a little froggy over there.
Yeah.
All right, let's go hit the beach. Back for round 2. Let's see. This was our plug that didn't fire in that cylinder. Plug's fine. Ain't no spot. She wet.
That looks darker than last time.
It's because this plug fired before.
Ah, genius.
But the rim
Nice
is
analysis.
Dude. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. She's back to ripping. As you saw, terrible misfire. I got a fresh set of coils for it, so we're gonna get that misfire figured out before the next video, and then she will be out breaking new ground again. We got a 28 pitch cleaver prop in the works, so we're gonna try that out, see if we can get some more stern lift out of her. But that's gonna do it for this one. If you liked it, drop a like, subscribe, join the membership to see videos early, and until next time, see ya.